A ordinary person, when he is in a state of ignorance, then if he believes in one religion and if he feels that religion is good, then as a thumb rule he says rest every religion is bad. Divinity is divinity. And there can be many religions which are good. There can be every religion which can be good. It is not that mine is good, that's why everyone is bad. Or my guru is good, that means every guru is bad. That is a egocentric thoughts, which is a negative thought which we are carrying. You must always learn to see the truth. Now, one question came where it says that many of the gurus and my guru is unmarried. And you are married, that means you are bad. Now, if I say I am good, then the question will come, that means you are saying they are bad. It is not. All are good, but we must understand which path we are following. If that person who had said, he said, I am thinking to remain always unmarried, and anyone who is married is in influence of Maya. If that is the thing, Swami Narayana, Lord Narayana, with Lakshmi, is he in the influence of Maya? Lord Rudra, Lord Shiva with Shakti, is he in the influence of Maya? Lord Brahma with Goddess Saraswati, is he in the influence of Maya? Basically, we should not go with logics, but we should understand the energy. Energy can never be complete if both yin and yang exist, male and female energy exist. Even electricity is not complete if positive and negative points are not there. It will not. So similarly, the male and female energy both has to be there. If you are believer of Sanatana, Swami Vedavyas is married. His son, Sukmuni, he said, I will not marry. They said, if you don't do, there is a scriptures, they say, that once he was going and he saw there was a big pit, very deep pit, and so many jivas, they were hanging upside down in a lot of pain. So he went to them and he said, why you are doing that? They said, we are your ancestors, we are your pitras. And you have decided not to get married. So we are achieving adhogati, we are stuck here. It's a cycle which is there. So this has to be, it's a responsibility. If you have got a sharira, then you must follow the principle of nature. Sant Kabir Das ji, or all great saints, right from Maharshi Vashishta, Agastya Mahamuni, all those, they were all married. And with the marriage, and in good old days, if you see our Sanatana, they used to build an ashram in the forest, and they all used to be with their wives. This is one trend. Now, we should not say that, okay, then those who are not married, they are doing wrong. Nothing is doing wrong. What we have to see is what is their soul agenda.